This is a Kenmore 5600 BTU Air Conditioner from 2002. This is made by WCI and it has a Welling fan motor in it. I'll try and get that. There's the brand right there. It's kind of hard to see because of that spider web, but it is a Welling motor. And this has an LG compressor in it. It's rated at 4.9 amps and 510 watts. Has an EER of 11. So this is the newest WCI that I have, and it does need to have some fins straightened out, which I'm going to do. This also needs to be cleaned out. It's pretty dirty inside, as you could see when I was showing the motor. And side panels need to be replaced. These are all ripped up. No, that one's ripped too. So I did clean the filter on it, and the evaporator isn't really dirty, but the condenser needs to be cleaned, and so does the bottom of this thing. As you can see, the bottom is all full of crap. Condenser doesn't look too bad, but I'm gonna clean it anyway. Start off with it just on fan. Here's the control panel. That's low. It's pretty quiet. There's a little bit of rattling coming from the vent, but other than that, it's nice and quiet. Airflow is decent through the condenser. There's high, medium, and low. Okay, let's see if the compressor starts now. Let this one run for a while. This thing hasn't been started in a long time. We're at 2.64 amps and 260 watts. It's been running for a while now. It's been on low speed the whole time, and it's up to 3.73 amps, 411 watts. Putting out 52-degree air with the heater blowing directly into it. Let's go to medium, or high. Now we're up to 3.82, 415 watts. Medium. So it's working pretty well. Definitely needs to be cleaned out and have the side panels replaced, but other than that, it's fine. Down to 51. Compressor sounds nice and healthy. Let's shut this heater off real quick and we'll see how much the temperature drops down. Getting nice and cold without that heater blowing into it. Looks like it's gonna stay around 41. I just finished straightening out the fins, so it looks a lot better.